Lesson 3. Travel Adventures. A. How are the people in the 3 photographs traveling? Why do people choose to travel in these ways? B. Read about 3 travel programs and answer the questions. 1. Match photographs from 1 to 3 with each travel program. 2. What natural features are mentioned in the text? TV this week. A new series of travel programs. Wednesday at 7:30. See the first of 12 travel programs on Wednesday this week. Each week, a different adventurer travels to some of the greatest natural features on Earth. The most famous rivers, mountains, deserts, and volcanoes in the world are visited in this series, and the photography is stunning. Week 1. John Wilson from the United Kingdom goes on a journey through Africa down the Nile, the longest river in the world. He travels by boat for most of his journey. It begins at Lake Victoria and follows the White Nile to Khartoum. It continues slowly down to Lake Nasser in Egypt, past the cities of Aswan, Asyut, and Cairo. John has many adventures before he reaches the end of his journey at the Mediterranean Sea. Week 2. Alan Brits from Australia aims to do the 1,000-kilometer journey through the Himalayas from India to China. He does the first 250 kilometers on horseback, riding carefully through the foothills of the mountains to Mount Everest. Then he climbs higher on foot for another 100 kilometers. Although this is very tiring, Alan says it's the best way to enjoy the fantastic scenery. Although he soon becomes exhausted and is unable to complete the whole distance, this program still makes a wonderful reviewing. Week 3. Farid Lefta from Iraq travels by hot air balloon over the world's largest desert, the Sahara. Lefta's goal is to fly right across the desert from the Atlantic Ocean and the Red Sea. The journey ends unhappily with a helicopter rescue in Niger, but there are fantastic views of the Sahara from the balloon before the adventure comes to its unexpected end. Exercise number 1. Read the sentences about each program in your student's book. Mark the sentences true, T, or false, F. Week 1. A. The journey starts at Lake Victoria. B. John Wilson travels all the way in a boat. C. He doesn't complete the journey. Week 2. D. Alan Brits climbs Mount Everest. E. He only travels on horseback. F. He completes the journey. Week 3. G. The Sahara stretches from the Atlantic to the Red Sea. H. Farid Lefta travels by helicopter. I. He starts his journey in Niger. Exercise number 2. Correct the false sentences. Exercise number 3. Find the words in the text. What can you replace them with? A. Exhausted. B. Unexpected. C. Views. D. Rescue. Exercise number 4. Complete the table. Find the names of continents waterways, etc. in the text in your student's book. Add more examples if you can. Continents, countries, waterways, rivers, seas, oceans, lakes, deserts, mountains, mountain groups, cities. The ? Examples: Africa, Asia,